Good evening, students. Now we can move the topic of difference between shaper and planner. Shaper. The work is held stationary and the cutting tool on the ram is moved back and forth across the work. Planner. In a planner, the tool is stationary and the workpiece travels back and forth under the tool. It is used for shaping much smaller job. A planner is meant for much larger jobs than can be undertaken on a shaper. Jobs as large as 6 meter wide and twice as long can be machined on the planner. A shaper is light machine. A planner is its heavy duty machine. Shaper can employ light cut and finer feed. Planner can employ heavier cut and coarse feed. A shaper uses one cutting tool at a time. Several tools can cut simultaneously on a planner. A shaper is driven using quick return link mechanism. The drive on planner table is either by gears by hydraulic means. It is less rigid and less robust. Because of better rigidity of planner as compared to that of the shaper, planner can give more accuracy on machined surface. Drilling machine. Principle of rotating tool to make hole. One of most common and useful machines in industry. Come in several type and size. Form had fed to computer controlled. Standard operation. Standard operations. Drilling. Operations of producing hole by removing metal from solid mass using twisted drill. There is a shown the figure. This is the using twisted drill. Counter sinking. Operation of producing tapered or cone shaped enlargement to end of hole. This zone diagram is counter sinking. That calls operation of producing tapered or cone shaped enlargement to end of hole. Standard operations. Reaming. What is meant by reaming? Operation of sizing and producing smooth round hole from previously drilled or bored hole. Once again, previously drilled or bored hole after sizing and producing smooth surface. It's called reaming. Next, boring. Boring is proving and enlarging hole by means of single point cutting tool. Boring is proving and enlarging hole by means of single point cutting tool. Standard operation. Tapping. Cutting internal threads in hole with a cutting tool called tap. Counter boring. Enlarging top of previously drilled hole. Enlarging top of previously drilled hole to given depth to provide square shooter for head of bolt of cap screw. Standard operation. Spot placing. Smoothing and squaring surface around hole to provide seat for head of cap screw or nut. Boring bar fitted with double-edged cutting tool. Pilot section on end to fit into the exiting hole. Principal type of drilling machine. Wide variety of drilling machines. Size of drill press may be designed in different ways by different companies. Some state size of distance from center of specific spindle to column of machine. Other state size by diameter of largest circular piece that can be drilled in center. Another one of the portable drilling machine. Portable drilling machine is easily handled and transporting easily. Only hand feed mechanism, manual operated machine, hand drill machines. Sensitive drill press spots. Only hand feed mechanism. Control down feed pressure. Manufactured in bench and floor model. 4 main parts: base, column, table and drilling heads. Radial drilling machine. Drilling head, radial arm, arm elevating lever, table. Tool holding device. Drill press spindle provides means of holding and driving cutting tool. End may be tapered or threaded for mounting drill chuck. Most common drill chuck, drill sleeve, drill socket. Drill chuck. Most common device used for holding straight shank cutting tool. Most contain 3 jaw that move simultaneously when outer sleeve turned. Hold straight shank of cutting tool securely. 2 common type, keyless. Another one of the chucks. Hold straight shank drills mounted on drill press spindle taper thread held in spindle by self-holding taper in larger machine. 4 type of drill chuck. 4 type of drill chuck. Type of drill chucks. Key type keyless, precision keyless. First key type, most common 3 jaws move simultaneously. When outer sleeve turned, tighten with the key. Keyless, jack loosened or tightened by hand without key. Precision keyless, hold smaller drill accurately. Another one type of drill check, Jacob's impact keyless check. Jacob's impact keyless check, hold small or large drills accurately using rubber flex holders, gripped or released quickly and easily by means of built-in impact device in checks. Drill sleeves and socket. Drill sleeves used to adapt cutting tool shank to machine. Spindle, if taper on tool is smaller than tapered on hole in spindle.